A 25-year-old American man, Tyrese Haspil, has been sentenced to 40 years to life imprisonment for the murder of his former boss, Saleh, 33 years, in New York City. Saleh was the founder and CEO of the Nigerian transport company Gokada. Haspil, who worked as Saleh's executive assistant, have been embezzling funds from his employer and killed him to avoid being caught. Haspil's sentences followed his conviction by a New York Supreme Court jury 2 months ago. He was found guilty of first-degree murder, second-degree grand larceny, and other charges. The Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg Jr., in a press release on Tuesday, said, "Today, Tyrese Haspil is facing accountability for brutally murdering and decapitating Fahim Saleh, a kind, generous, and empathic person who positively impacted the world." Even after the defenders stole for him to fund a lavish lifestyle, Mr. Saleh still gave him a second chance. According to the prosecutor, surveillance footage captured Haspil entering Saleh's apartment building in Lower Manhattan on July 13, 2020, and followed him into the elevator. According to the prosecutor, surveillance footage captured Haspil entering Saleh's apartment building in Lower Manhattan on July 13, 2020, and followed him into the elevator. Upon exiting the elevator, which led directly into Saleh's apartment, Haspil deployed a taser against Saleh's back and then repeatedly stabbed him in the neck and torso with a knife, resulting to his death. The next day, Haspil returned to the apartment where he dismembered and decapitated Mr. Saleh's body using a saw and placed the body part in a pre-ordered construction bag, as stated in the release statement. Saleh's cousin made the discovery after visiting his apartment to check on his welfare. Having not received any communication from him in 24 hours, she immediately notified the police. The prosecutor stated that Haspil left the apartment to obtain a battery charger for the saw but did not return after observing police in the building. He was arrested 4 days later at an apartment he had rented to celebrate his girlfriend's birthday. Saleh's company issued a statement after his passing, describing his dedication to Nigeria and his youth as immeasurable.